Hello student. So let's start with 5th standard environmental studies. Students, as your examinations of periodic test 3 are coming soon, so we will be discussing revision worksheet for periodic test 3. Students, it is a pattern just like a question paper pattern. So section A will be observation and response. In that pictures are coming, and from that means question is asked and you have to write answer in one word, either in one sentence. So name the wind instrument shown in picture 1, that is Shehnai. Second, name these beautiful carvings on wood that can be seen on ceilings of houseboats and some big houses shown in picture 2, that is Khatamban. Third, name this boat shown in picture 3, which can be seen in Dal Lake and Jhelum river. So the answer is Donga. Children, no need to write questions at all. Only write question number properly and then write answer of that question number. Okay. So in observation and response, 4 pictures are coming. So fourth one, name the wind instrument shown in picture 4, that is beam. Now section B, identification and classification is there. So one grid, you can see it in the picture or in slide. From that grid you have to find out the answer, and below that you have to write the answer. Don't encircle it, don't do that grid also in your answer paper, only write answers below that. So you have to find out answers from that grid only, that's why it is given. So identify and write 6 items needed for a long journey. So you have to identify any 6 items, or if you know more, means if you can find out more from the grid only, then write. So camera, second is cloth, third food, fourth one medicine, fifth one diary, sixth one snacks, and many others are there, but 6 are asked. But you can write in examination, if you are able to find more, you can write more also from the grid only. Don't write by your mind. Okay. So this question will be for 3 marks. Now question number 3, name the following. In that you are expected to write only question number properly and then write answer. So an instrument which is used to hear heartbeats and breathing of a person, so only write answer stethoscope. B, ensure that you have to means you whatever you are writing, that should be right, spelling should be right. A place to keep ships and goods in Changthang, so it is called Lekha. Third one, the number of time a person breathes in a minute, it is called breathing rate also. Or if you write the number of that breathing rate, it can be also right. Section C, discovery of facts. So question number 3, you have seen 3 questions are there for 3 marks. Then section C, that is discovery of facts. Question number 4, that is fill in the blanks. 4 fill in the blanks will be for 2 marks. Our heartbeat increases after a run. Changpa tribe has only 5,000 people. When we blow air out, our chest comes in. Fourth one, in Changthang, temperature drops below 0 degree Celsius. Then question number 5, write true and false is there. So 4 questions are there. You are expected to write answer and write answer in full word. For example, first answer, all the houses in Srinagar are made on water only, so it is false. So write question number 5, 1, answer F-A-L-S-E, false. Write spelling. Don't write only T and only F. Second question, spectacles can be cleaned by blowing warm air onto it, so it is true. Third, woodcutter blew foo-foo to burn potatoes, so it is false. Fourth, one had to travel north direction while going from Mumbai to Leh, so it is true. Question number 6, define the following. Now here I would like to request you have to use only textual language to write definitions. What is, so define the following. First one is Khatamban. So beautiful carvings on wood that can be seen on the ceilings of houseboats and some big houses. So in this way, perfect definition should be there. It will be for 2 marks. So breathe means 1 inhalation and 1 exhalation. Now if they are asking for write only 1 definition, but my suggestion is that, my request is that write both, because if one is wrong, so in other you can get the marks. Now in question number 7, answer the following in detail. So here 2 marks question for each. and here they sometimes option will come, write any two. So at that time again it's my request to you that please write all three questions, because if one question will be wrong in other question, if it is right, so you can get benefit out of it. So why does a person blow on his or her spectacles to wipe them clean? So answer is, when we breathe out, we exhale carbon dioxide gas along with water vapor. The water vapor on colliding with the surface of the glass gets condensed, due to which the glass becomes wet. And this lightly wet glass can be easily cleaned with a soft cloth. So in this way, children, it's your habit to write only answer in one sentence for 2 marks also. So don't do that. You have to cover all the points, all the key words into that. Second question, which states would one pass through while traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir? So write all states. We pass through places like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir when travel from Mumbai to Kashmir. Third one, during winter, Tashi and his family live on the ground floor. Why would they be doing so? So expected answer is that during winter, Tashi and his family would live on the ground floor because their ground floor has no windows, in turn which would keep them warm from a outside weather. So here expected whatever the answer key is there according to question, that answer means that perfect word should come inside your answer. Next year you will be going in secondary section, so at that time that is necessary. So from this year you have to become habitual for all these things. In this way the pattern is there. So here children, we have seen 3 sections in revision worksheet for periodic text 3, and it is just like a question paper pattern. So thank you for watching video, and see children, please before examination try to do solve at home, so that at the time of examination you will not face many difficulties. You will solve it out before examination. So thank you for watching video.